Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out this chart very easy to see, and so easy to see that I guess I will put up an annotation, but there's only going to be one annotation that I'm going to focus on because there's really nothing else that needs to be done, because from a big picture perspective, the way to really just simplify this, I guess pun intended, is by using that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move its way further and further upwards. And I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because if you don't feel like drawing a trend line, then yeah, this quote-unquote trend line will draw itself for you, and it's going to continue to look something like this. So not to insult your intelligence, but as long as the price stays above this quote-unquote trend line, well, then that implies the price itself is putting in higher lows. And if a price is putting in higher lows, then that's what you want to see from a bullish perspective. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So yeah, the very basic yet highly effective way to just kind of continue to gauge and monitor the health of the current price movement is just keep an eye on the quote-unquote trend line. Again, that moving average right there. And as it draws the trend line for you, as long as the price stays above it, case in point right here, great example of that, the price pulling back here, bouncing very nicely. I mean, so think about it. There are some chart traders that definitely got some a fill right there, and got a very nice bounce from there. But from a big picture, that's what you want to see. Just have the price stay above that purple line. As far as that one annotation I was going to make note of, that's just going to be where the sellers are very clearly hanging out, and they made themselves known over the past couple of days. And that's right up there at 0.024. It first got hit on there yesterday. Today, yeah, the price got up there temporarily up above it, so I'd agree that it probably got weakened up today, but nonetheless, 0.024, is still definitely that public enemy number one going forward as the level of resistance. All in all, though, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.